A few weeks ago, I installed the Yoke steering wheel in my Model Y. And in today's video, I'm just going to share with you my review so far, how I am adjusting to the Yoke steering wheel, the practicalities, the maneuver, and the handle of the car. Is it worth actually installing this? I'm going to tell you all of that in this video, and I'm starting right now. So today I'm just going to drive around just a little bit so you can see the maneuvering of the Yoke steering wheel and the practicalities of it. I can say that originally with the Yoke steering wheel, it is a learning curve because now you are like missing the other half of the steering wheel up here. But I can say that driving with the Yoke steering wheel, you adjust very easily. Now, especially in autopilot versus having to keep shivering the wheel, it's a great armrest that I can just rest my hands right here on the steering wheel, and you don't get those annoying messages that keep going off every 30 seconds. So right now I'm about to go on a roundabout. I'm going to do the entire roundabout here just so you can see that I push here and just turn around. So whenever I originally got the Yoke steering wheel, it did again take some time to get used to it, but other than that, it really is easy to drive. The handling, especially going around tight curves, you just grab one side and the other. You do feel it at first in your shoulders. When I first got this, I did feel a little bit of shoulder discomfort. I didn't know where it was coming from at first, but I'm assuming that it may have been just my body getting used to it. So now I'm about to make a 90-degree turn. So watch this right here. So in order for that, you can see that I just had to just compensate for the missing parts. There is a learning curve for that, but it's very quick. And now I don't even think about it because you turn right here, and I'm going to go on and make a complete U-turn coming up in the parking lot here so you can see what it would look like to make a U-turn with the Yoke steering wheel. So let me just find a good spot here. Sorry if the video is a little bumpy. I'm going to try my best to work that out and edit in with stabilization, so hopefully you don't even know what I'm talking about. But now I'm going to turn the car completely around 180 degree. So just gonna make it hard. So as you can see here, you just turn, and just like the regular wheel, you can let it just straighten on out. Taking it out on autopilot, you can just rest one hand on your steering wheel as you're driving, and you don't get those messages that keep going off every 15-30 seconds. I can just sit like this. I prop that leg right there and one hand on it, and it doesn't really beep anymore. And even whenever it gives you that annoying message, you don't have to start shimmying the car. I can literally take one finger and do like this. I'm not sure if it's the weight or the feel of it, but it's really not much effort in order to keep the autopilot going without the messages. And the great thing about this specific Yoke steering wheel, and I do have a link in the description box below, this is all still Tesla's parts. So even with the stroll wheel, the airbag, the horn, it was an easy install. Pretty much I just popped out everything from the old steering wheel and plugged it right in here. So it is a heated steering wheel. The lights on the steering, or should I say Yoke now, the lights on both sides of the stroll wheels, they do work. I'm going to go on autopilot real quick, and I want to just you to see what I'm talking about here, that I don't have to keep shimmying the wheel. It's a great armrest, and you just rest your hands, and it is very easy. It has good touch quality, the same as Tesla. If I didn't know this was a third-party Yoke steering wheel, I would have thought, just even with the feel of it, the handling of it, that it would be a legit Tesla Yoke steering wheel. The quality of this vegan leather feels exactly like the original steering wheel that came with the car. So that's pretty awesome. So some of the downsides of having the Yoke steering wheel: whenever you first install the Yoke, a few different times I did find myself reaching and miss the steering wheel like on turns every once in a while, but you quickly learn, and it's starting to become like second nature to me to have this Yoke steering wheel in here it really makes sense. The practicalities of this yoke. As you see right now, I'm going around curbs and just holding it right here on the corner, I'm pretty much able to do all of the driving versus keep just shifting it back and forth. You just grab it right here and look, I'm actually doing a turn, about to go around another roundabout here. And as you can see, like even that maneuver right there, bam, I'm out of the roundabout. So that's my review of the Yoke steering wheel. I show you in the video right here how you can install this Yoke steering wheel within 20 minutes. And I also left the link down in the description box below. So check it out, and I will see you in the next video.